Welcome to this video demonstration of the Volkswagen Think Blue Trainer. Now, let me explain what it is first of all. It is the car's way of teaching you to drive more economically. It will score you out of 100 over here and it will give you an average MPG on this side. But the important dial or piece of information is this one in the middle here. As you're driving along, it will tell you in that box what gear you should be in. It will also, so it will say, for example, 3 to 4, telling you to change to 4th gear, or it might say 4 to 3, telling you to gear down to 3rd. If you're driving really well, that will disappear and the word eco will be displayed there, and this will gradually fill up depending on how economically you're driving the car. So what we're going to do is take the car for a drive so that you can see this working for yourself. So as you see, now that we're driving along, it will show us when we're at our most economical, which is when we have eco being displayed up in the main screen there. And then anytime it's asking you to change gear, those gear suggestions will also appear in that box as well. At the moment we are driving particularly economically, which is why we've got eco being displayed in that box. Okay, so you can see there that the car is suggesting that we change from 3rd to 4th gear, which we've just done, so that will now disappear because we're in the gear that it says we should be in. And now 4th to 5th gear. And it's as easy as that.